What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today I have this wireless charging station from LK Direct. Actually a few days ago I have reviewed their screen protector and it was an amazing experience. I'm still using that screen protector on my iPhone 13 Pro and I'm super satisfied. So I've thought that why don't I check what other products this brand offers. Actually a few days ago I have also bought a wireless charging station or wireless charging dock from another brand. You may have already watched that video. I was super frustrated, totally disappointed. So when I have noticed that this brand also offers wireless charging station, LK Direct also offers wireless charging station, I have ordered one. Here is the box and I actually have been using this one for a few days now. I'm super satisfied and super excited. Let's start from unboxing and then we will go through the testing process. We will check all the features and all the aspects of this product and then we will find whether this one offers any value for money or not. But to decide that, we got to know how much does it cost. This one costs only $32.99 US, and when I have ordered this one was like $29.99 US. There are different offers and discounts, so if you're lucky enough then you will be able to get this one for less than $30 US, which sounds like a steal. Because this wireless charging station from LK Direct offers amazing performance. Well, let's do the unboxing and let's check what things we have got inside this box. But wait, before everything, if you find this video helpful, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. After opening the top lid, there is a USB-A to USB-C charging cable, premium quality charging cable. I'm super satisfied with this charging cable. There is a 18-watt charging brick. This is a USB-A to USB-C charging brick and I really like this green accent. Yeah, there is a green accent inside the USB-A port and altogether this is also a very premium quality charging brick. Pretty light but durable. There is a user manual in different languages and yeah, they have also added a lot of illustrations, so there is no way you're gonna make any mistake. Okay, inside the user manual it's written clearly that the provided charger supports Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0. So that's an advantage. Even if they have provided an 18-watt charger, the maximum output of this wireless charging station is 15 watt, which is amazing considering the build quality and price. Well, here is our LK Direct wireless charging station. This one supports 4 different devices: Apple Watch, AirPods, Apple Pencil and iPhone. It's not like this one only supports iPhone or Apple products. This one also supports any other products which is compatible with Qi wireless charging. There is a thing that I must mention in the beginning, that the Apple Watch charger is actually not included. You have to use your own charger, but there is a spot or place to put that charger. If you have an Apple Watch and if you want to charge it on this wireless charging dock, then you have to put your Apple Watch charger over here. A very good build quality, very sturdy, it looks cool and I really like this design language. This one is a bit different. This one has its own unique design language and all the cutouts are a bit unique and the materials they have used is super premium. In hand it feels like a top class flagship class product. They have also included a LED indicator in front and they have also added a silicon mat where we are gonna charge our AirPods. It really feels like they have thought about everything and this product is manufactured with precision. The only thing I don't like is this logo. I think they could have made it a bit smaller and put it somewhere else rather than this part, but it's okay. Yeah, even if they didn't provide this Apple Watch charger, but it's very easy to put the Apple Watch charger inside this charging station and once it is placed in its correct position, it also looks pretty nice. Here is our LK Direct wireless charging station along with Apple Watch charger. Now let's connect this one. Let's check how does this one performs. Here goes the charging brick and here comes the cable. Let's connect the cable. Once the cable is connected, there is a LED light. Here is my iPhone 13 Pro. It has started to get charged. Wow, my iPhone 13 Pro is getting charged at 12.5 watt. That's great. Yeah, it shows 13.1 or 13.2, but this device itself actually takes 0.5 to 0.6 watt. So my iPhone 13 Pro is getting charged at 12.5 watt. Now let's add my Apple Watch. Well, my Apple Watch has also started to get charged and yeah, my Apple Watch is getting charged at 2.5 watt. That's also cool. Now finally, let's add my AirPods too. Okay, my AirPods 2 has also started to get charged, and here on the wattage meter it's almost 16.5 watt. That's cool because the brand LK Direct, they are claiming like this one only offers 15 watt and this one offers perfect 15 watt. There is no drop and the wattage is actually very stable. Look at this. What the brand LK Direct has claimed, this one can deliver. Here on the wattage meter, this is very stable. I really haven't seen such a stable wireless charging stand. Okay, look at this. This crazy piece of thing costs 100 US dollars and performs like a piece of, I don't want to say. But here, this one costs around 30 US dollars and performs like a beast. This one offers a very good wattage, very stable wattage, and this wireless charging station from LK Direct actually can deliver what LK Direct has claimed in their marketing material, in their promotional material, and whatever they have written on the specification. That's 100% correct. And this wireless charging station actually even performs better than what LK Direct has claimed it is. I always felt like my devices are always hidden under cables. I used to have a lot of cables. I needed to carry a lot of cables. I needed to have a lot of cables on my desk. But after I have bought this LK Direct wireless charging station, it's a bye-bye to all the cable mess. Okay, there are many other features and there are many other things that I need to mention, not only 3 advantages. This one comes with lifetime warranty. Can you believe that? Wow. And finally, the most important thing for me is safety and security. This one not only offers stable 15 watt of output, this one actually have very good safety measurement. So this one is gonna protect your devices. I mean, Apple devices are already very expensive and we don't wanna get our devices to get damaged for overcurrent or overpower or anything. So yeah, this one comes with very good safety measurement. I wish that I would buy another of this one because I have 2 different desks, and yeah, if LK Direct is watching this video, then please send me another. I love this one. We need more. Well, as usual, I have left a link in the description box below. If you are interested in this product, then don't forget to go and check that link. But yeah, that's not an affiliate link. I'm just sharing my honest experience with you. If you want to purchase this product, if you want to buy this product, you can buy from anywhere. You don't need to buy from my link because I'm not gonna get any incentive, but I'm truly in love with this product. Okay, if you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button. If you want to watch more videos like this, then please subscribe to this channel and stay tuned.
Could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep.